Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to the business. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, wherever you are. Let's get right to it. Welcome. We have to see the market. The market is doing crazy right now, especially for AMD. It started to reverse. We got Ubers pulling back. We might have a nice dip right now for Uber. We got a few stocks pulling back down. We might have a interesting day for today, especially for BOXL and other unicorn. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here always for educational purposes. So let's get right to it. We got MOBX looking interesting here. MOBX, we have a huge reversal from the bottom. I think we already discussed it before, and now is currently getting near a major resistance. That's why now we should watch it closely at the market open. We have a big buying pressure from below. We got a lot of buyers around the 23 and almost around the 20. Is getting near the major resistance zone, which is around the 29. We got BYAH looking interesting as well. It might do a drastic jump for today if we jumped from the 13. This one looking interesting as well, guys, for today. Watching it closely for a breakout from the 13. Let me just lower the resistance here. SMCI, we got earnings yesterday, guys. 8% jumped, and now it's pulling back a little bit toward the support. AMD, guys, watch out for a huge reversal. Right now is pulling back down because of earnings. It's back to a reversal for AMD, so we have to watch it closely. 10% down, guys. So it's discounted. I watch for a reversal toward the 230 at the market open. Yeah, 10% is really a good discount. The same for Uber, watching for a pullback more toward the 75 maybe. Right now is, yeah, if it's pulled back a little bit will be better because now it's kind of overextended. Have great earnings, yeah. ENPH had earnings yesterday. Yeah. This one is back to pullback, maybe at the market open. far so good. Welcome, Lizzie. David, how are you doing? We can't hear you. Sound is off. No, sound is on. What's going on with the sound? Hmm. Unplug your cord. Don't use any cord, brother. No cords. I use the Mac. I think I have this problem from yesterday. Okay, so let's see if we fix this problem. Okay. Yo, 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 yo. Let's see if we have the sound is okay now. Let's see. Yeah, I feel like the sound is a bit okay. Let me know if you can hear me right now, guys. If this voice is better. Anyway, okay, guys, let me know if you can hear me right now, if everything is good. Slightly better. Mhm. Okay. Uh, External headphones, big speakers, board, input. Yo, 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 input level, output. Yeah, the mic is the maximum. I don't know what's the problem here. Okay, loud and clear. Perfect. Anyway, welcome everybody. Welcome. Watch out. We got AMD have earnings, and it's back to reversal. We have a nice bottom right now. We visit the 215. It's back to reversal, at least around the 230. Uber, we have a pullback. It's back to pull back toward the 74. APLD is pulling back a little bit. I will watch for a reversal, maybe, yes, around 34. We'll see if we're gonna break this level. Yeah, it looked interesting for another jump for today toward the 37. We might do another 5%. Yesterday we did 5, but if we pull back, I will watch for a pullback down. SMCI had earnings. We'll see if we're gonna have a dip today. Yeah, toward the 30. B the same. It's pulling back a little bit. We have a huge seller around the 174. Yeah, as we said, AMD is back to a test at least today around the 233. Yesterday we have earnings, and a lot of people talking about manipulation because yeah, we got really good earnings, but the problem is with China, guys. Always China is the problem here. So the main event, we got BOXL, MOBX, and BAYA. MOBX looking really strong because just came right now. Look great for a drastic jump at the market open. We'll see if we're gonna go toward 17. Yeah, 17 should be a drastic level to test for today. Lowering the resistance for this one around 187, which is book sell. As we said, guys, watch out for AMD. Is just sleeping giant. It's back to a drastic jump or volatility at the market open, because yesterday we got earnings. 10% usually when we have this kind of dip, we trigger the huge whale. Uber already triggered the whale here around the 70. We already did the short update for it for the dip buying. At our Discord, guys, we did the short update on our watch list. Every day we do watch list before the market open. And Uber, we discussed it before the reversal. As you can see here, we did the short for it before the market open. As you see, it was perfect entry around the 71.34, and we said the resistance profit taken started from the 72.26. We hit the 74.77, and we went up, then we went down. So Uber, it was one of our main update watch lists for today. It was great hunt everybody who entered with us on this one. RVSN have a reverse split, guys. RVSN. Even Plug had news about reverse split, guys. Yes, here we got 1 to 30, so our bass is not good now. MOBX looking fantastic, guys, testing a major resistance right now around the 29. Voxel is pulling back. Is kind of dangerous, this one, guys. AMD is still waiting for the whale. I'm still waiting for the whale to buy at the market open. AMD, nothing much here. Yeah, we got a lot of question about how to join our watch list or have access to our watch list that we do daily. The link, I will put it right now on our Discord if you want to join our updates that we do in pre-market, because usually in pre-market is where the action is, guys. The action always happens in the pre-market. So here's the link to our Patreon, of course. Once you join our Patreon, you can have access to our daily update on our Discord and Patreon. Can hear your voice. Any interesting? I can't do anything for today, guys. If no, just bear with me. I will fix it by tomorrow. I think I have to close the MacBook to fix this issue. Yeah, for now we got Uber have a nice earnings. Yes, bad earnings, but it went up anyway. So let's get right to it. We got 8 minutes left, guys. 8 minutes left at the market open. Let me just try to hear my voice. So let me know, guys, if you can hear me all right. Let me just see. Yo, what's going on, man? Don't. I don't know what's going on with the voice, man. I don't know, man. Yeah, I know the voice is kind of bad. Anyway. Yeah, I think I have to turn off everything. I think we have 5 minutes. I don't know if I just turn off the video and come back again. Okay, guys, I think I have to turn off everything and come back again because the voice is really low. So guys, just stay wherever you are. I'm just gonna do last chance to fix everything. So bear with me. Just 2 minutes, guys, 2 minutes. And we are back. Okay, perfect. I think we're back. Welcome everybody. Welcome. Let me know if you can hear me right now. Please let me know if you can hear me. All right, we are back, everybody. Let's get right to it. Good afternoon, John. Good afternoon, John. Guys, let me know if you can hear me right now. Just text me down. Perfecto. The best solution is always to close everything off, you know. The old solution always like this. Okay, AMD is pulling back down before the market open. Hallelujah. Uber is pulling back down as well. APLD, okay, nothing. SMCI is going up. Oh God, what's going on with AMD, guys? What's going on with AMD? Anyway, Voxel is trying to go up. We got 1 minute left, guys. Hit the like button on the way in. MOBX is number one right now. The rest is history. Yeah, the rest is history, for my opinion. Let's get right to it, guys. Let's get right to it. SMCI looking fantastic here. B, nothing much. APLD, Uber, we might have a reversal at the market open. Watching for a dip here. AMD, the same for a reversal. Watch out for a reversal for AMD, guys. Unusual selling pressure. Expect a reversal, guys, anytime soon at the market open. Let's see Uber. Come on. Oh yeah, let's go. What the hell is going on with this one, man? Unusual, not normal. APLD is going down. B is going down. Come on. Where's the bulls? Come on, we need bulls action for Uber. Welcome everybody, welcome. The market is open. God, what the hell is going on? Reversal. Where's the reversal? يا راجل. What a chaos, man. Today there is a huge chaos. It's like Armageddon. Everything is going down like no tomorrow, especially for AMD. MOBX, we got shorted, guys, around the 32. BOXL, nothing much. AMD is still pulling back. Yeah, huge manipulation for AMD, guys. I don't expect no reaction, nothing. No reaction, no reversal. This is madness. This is blasphemy, really. Usually we had a reversal at the market open, but today nothing. Yeah, SMCI is the one that jumped, guys. SMCI is the one that actually jumped. Hallelujah. Yeah, we got a really good reversal here, almost 7%. CIGL, we have a pullback down, TRX the same. LIMN, I don't like the technical that much. Beyond Meat, open. So yeah, SMCI is the one to watch. We have a breakout here from the 33.46. Yeah, BOXL broke the support. AMD started to reverse finally. Yeah, Uber is game over here. MOBX is the only one that looks strong right now. Lord of Sword. All live shows on YouTube were glitching. Thank you for the reminder. I think there's problems with the YouTube servers. Yeah, SMCI doing fantastic. Still waiting for AMD reversal, guys. What's going on? Where's the major reversal? It's really weak. Even though we have a lot of good news about issuing 1.5 billion. Yeah, I think we got a really bearish day today. Yeah, today is really bearish. Are you goddamn kidding me? Are you kidding me, man? AMD is still going down. I don't believe this. I don't believe this selling pressure. I think we might go toward the 200 now if we broke the current support. This means AMD is gonna go big time. Uh-huh. I will wait. Yeah, it's a waiting game now. For Mara, the support didn't change. Still around the 844 and 770. Current resistance for Mara is around the 978. Yeah, I think what's affect price of AMD today is the whole market is down. So that's why we don't have a major reversal for it yet. But I think we got a bottom now. MOBX broke the support. AMD is about to break another support here. If it did, I would be waiting for another dip toward the 200 maybe. Yeah, the 200 is coming. Yeah, we broke the support. Hallelujah. And B still have a struggle to break the current resistance here. Yeah, SMCI was the best candidate for today. SMCI guys, we have a huge seller around the 35. We might have a pullback now toward the 32 or 32 or 33 for a reversal. So we got two stocks looking really good for today, LLY and SMCI. Both of them had great earnings. So LLY could be great for another jump for today. If we held the current support, would be a good candidate to go toward the 1000 again. SMCI on the other hand, yeah, we need a little pullback because it's kind of overextended in this bearish market. Yeah, it's pretty bearish market and it's still going up. APLD going down, AMD going down, B going down more. Okay, Boxel is going up. We have a really good reversal from the 164. Buy at the same. SUUN from yesterday, it broke our resistance, guys. This one, I think, if you remember, guys, we already did the chart update for it yesterday. SUUN. This one was on our list. Let me just show you. The price was below the $1.90. What's going on? Why? As you can see, we got a really good update yesterday for SUUN. The price was around the 180. Right now is around the 194. Updated this level yesterday before the market close. EPLW is moving. EPLW. EPLW, wrong ticker, man. There is no stock with this name, man. Are you kidding me? ELPW. EL, not EPLW. ELPW. ELPW. Yeah, already gone, man. This one already hit our all profit taken. I think we already put it on the main list. Nope. Yeah, here. ELPW was great. It was around the 133. Yeah, already hit a major resistance. Now it's pulling back. It's too risky now. Okay, so let's see, APLD, we might have a reversal here. Interesting. APLD looking really interesting. LLY the same. Okay, APLD. I'm watching for a reversal for APLD now. Watching for a reversal for APLD. B as well looking good for a reversal. Free falling. AMD is free falling. Anyway, so let us discuss SMCI, guys, in depth. So SMCI had earnings yesterday and the price jumped. So where the squeeze will be for the rest of this month? We jumped almost 20%. Now we're pulling back, so we have to discuss where the price will go. Before we go further, remember our content here for education purposes only. So as we said, guys, SMCI had huge earnings, and as you can see here, we suppress almost 40% for the earnings estimate, and for the revenue almost 21%, almost quarter. So we the estimate was 10, return was reported almost 12. So this is really great earnings, and this is why the price jumped for SMCI 12%. Now we have to be watching closely toward the next resistance, because let me just show you in the smaller picture. We entered this bearish channel because last year in October we have a huge bearish channel before the bad earnings you see here in October, and we started to dive down. And now we have the spike and the wick here that happened over this bearish channel. That's why this channel is really important, and that's why the 35 is the drastic level that we might make the short seller squeeze at and go over the 35 or around the 37 and maybe even around the 40 and 50. So now you see what's happening on the 4-hour chart. Just go on the 4-hour chart and you see a huge wick for the price, and the price pull back. But the good thing is we got an interesting support right now. It's being tested for SMCI over this level. Let me just take this, around the 31.90. So this is the most important level that we have for today, and of course this is where the price reversed for SMCI today, and we have a big buyer at the market open right there. That's why we have a huge jump until almost the 35. So if we held today over the 31.90, guys, we'll confirm that the big whale bought around this level, and we might have a huge reversal toward the 37, because as we said, the good earnings give us a nice jump for SMCI, because last bad earnings was last October, and this is the first earnings since 2024. So 1 year or almost 1 year and a half, or 4 bad earnings, and this is the first good earnings after 4 bad earnings. So this is a big jump, or really significant and important earnings to have for SMCI to save us from the bearish channel that SMCI entered even before that, and before even the split around the 2024 in October. You see here we were really good around the 119, and we have a flush, we have a reversal, and we entered the bearish channel as well again once we got hit with a huge seller around the $60, and now is kind of half the price. So there's a potential that the price will go almost 100%. So there is a potential price to go around at least the 40, because this is the price, yearly price target as an analyst give for SMCI to go to for this year. So let me know, guys, what you think about the price action for SMCI for this year. Are we gonna have a nice jump or not? Let me know, guys, in comment section below. In the meantime, yes, we have a really good reversal, and the 35.74 to break in order to have a nice jump for the rest of this year. Interesting. Yeah, finally we have a little bit of reversal here for both B and yes, and APLD. Nice reversal, guys. We might have at least, let's see where we're gonna go. Yeah, we got a major seller here around the 35.50. Yeah, 35.50. We expect a nice test here for this level first. So where we go. So yeah, as we said, APLD is back to reversal right now with B, For AMD, the same, started to reverse from the 206. I expect a nice reversal because we got near the 200 bottom. So yeah, we're getting near a major bottom, guys, for APLD. So expect a nice reversal soon. I will be watching for a huge reversal at any moment. Yeah, but yeah, I'm not convinced yet, guys. I'm not convinced yet because yeah, every time we reverse 2%, I'm not convinced. We need 4% in order to confirm that we started to reverse today. And the major reversal zone hopefully will start here around the 216 right now. Yes, 216 could be a major level to test for for AMD. Okay, so B looking good, SMCI pulling back. Let us see the other ones. Beyond Meat. What's going on with Beyond Meat? Beyond Meat is getting near the 66, guys. Holy baloney. Remember, guys, our content here always for educational purposes. Remember, Beyond Meat is still going down. Where's the bottom? All the traders asking this question right now because as you can see here, Beyond Meat is still continue to go down since the short seller entered around this week. You see this week? This is where the short seller entered the market, around the 90 cents for Beyond Meat. Now it's getting near the 66, guys. The 66 cents, for my opinion, it is a technical level that we might test and reverse from. After that, the 50, of course. So you see what's going on here. We got big two sellers. First, around December last year, once they enter around the 160, we have this channel. Then the second enter around the $1.09, and then we have the third added around the 90. Again, guys, we discussed Beyond Meat and many other stocks for that matter on our Discord and Unicorn Hunt. Yesterday we discussed a really good trade for SUUN. And the stock did a really great job to jump from the $1.88. So for Beyond Meat, we discussed it once the price got shorted here, and we warned our hunter for a squeeze if we broke the 109. Many of you saying never cover the stock is dead. A lot of people lost money. If you watch my video, you will know that I don't advertise anybody to buy. Always warn everybody to do the due diligence first. And second, I'm not saying squeezing and buying now. I'm saying squeezing if before we broke this line. If you don't know the technical, yes, you will say you misleading and why you say squeezing and it's not squeezing. Yes, because you don't know technical. So if you know technical, you know what I mean. Squeeze only if, just take every word. Don't just take one word of that I'm saying and saying, yeah, you promote the stock. I'm not promoting anybody or even Beyond Meat to give me even $1. But I'm showing you the word. When someone tell you, will squeeze if, the word if, it changed everything. We said, if we broke this level, yes, we're going to have a squeeze. Again, now, if we broke the 90, yes, we have the squeeze. The other if we held the 66, we're going to have a reversal. If I don't say if, yes, you're right. I have misleading information. I pump the stock. I give false information. But if you take my information literally and you listen really carefully and know technical, you know what I mean. And you know how to trade, because if you don't know how to trade and you just buy and hold, yes, of course, the price will go down on you and you'll be panicking and checking the news and you can't sleep at night because you don't know how to manage the stock or your emotion. And this is need a bit of time to master. That's why we always do update and do even one-on-one Zoom meeting for many other traders who have a lot of bad judgment or bad investment before, and help them to actually fix that issue. So if this is one of you watching and have this kind of scenario, you can actually join us and send me a message once you join our Patreon Discord. I will help you and guide you through how to trade with us. But in the meantime, Beyond Meat, guys, as we said, we need to hold the 66 in order to reverse, like what happened here around the 1st of 2006. What happened here on November 2025. Once we hold, we're gonna have a reversal. Now there is no holding for the prices. Price is free falling. That's why we have to be really strategic and patient, because the price is getting near this reversal zone around the 60 seconds, just 8% around this level. Once we test this level, we're gonna do another update. So make sure to hit the like and subscribe, because we're gonna do updates daily for Beyond Meat, and we discuss it even on our live streaming as for we do it right now 30 minutes before the market open. David, feed, what you mean about feed? Okay, anyway, so guys, thank you for watching. We're gonna do a major update for the rest of the stocks later on, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you all back by tomorrow, 30 minutes.